Hi guys! Okay, so today I'm super freaking excited. I'm also a little exhausted. We just got back from a road trip to Indiana, so I'm a little bit sleep deprived. But today we're going to open up my loot crate. I'm super excited. I have been waiting for my loot crate to come in. This month's loot crate theme is role models, which is freaking cool. They also promised some Deadpool stuff in here, which is nice because if you haven't seen Deadpool 2, what's wrong with you? Go see the movie. It was freaking amazing. It was freaking hilarious, and it was kind of the comic relief we needed after watching Avengers Infinity Wars, because that had everybody in their feelings afterwards, which rightfully so, you should have been. It was deep. If you haven't seen that, go see that one too. It's really good. I plan on having a Marvel movie night next week. I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna have a bunch of friends over. We're gonna have Marvel movie night. We're just gonna watch a bunch of Marvel movies, but I digress. So, okay, let's see what's inside my loot crate. Okay. So first we have some sort of a figurine from the TV show Archer. I actually like the TV show Archer. I fought watching the TV show Archer for so long because I was like, I don't get it. But then I started watching Bob's Burgers, and they do a lot of, they've had 2 crossovers with Archer, which were both really freaking hilarious. If you haven't seen either of those, I will link both of them down in the description box. Please check them out. They're really freaking funny. I'm obsessed with Bob's Burgers, so why would I not love Archer either? So let's open this up and see what came inside. Oh, and I got the big man himself. I got Archer, guys. Oh, it's so cute. So the great thing about these loot crates is a lot of time they come with these cute little figurines. What I like to do is either I'll keep them on my desk at work, though right now my desk at work is really full of them. I'm getting a cubicle soon, so that'll be awesome because then I'll have more space for all this stuff. But I also have a ton of shelves around my room, and that's where I keep them. Then I also have a bunch of bookcases, and that's where I keep them. So yeah, I have a ton of space for this, but this is adorable. And he comes with a little stand. I'm gonna put him on my desk at work because I just feel like he needs to come to work with me. I freaking love this. He's got a little beer bottle, guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So I have a Punisher logo. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. I am going to stick this on my work laptop because I want this to be with me every single time I go into the office. So yeah, I'm really obsessed. This is so cute, man. This was like a winner loot crate so far. So let's see what else is in here. So I have an Arrested Development Banana Stand wallet. I don't really watch Arrested Development, but maybe I'll start. I love wallets. I have so many freaking awesome wallets that I use. I change them out consistently. I love wallets, so this makes me really happy. Let me know if you guys actually like Arrested Development and tell me if I should check it out. I've heard mixed reviews. Half people say I should, half the people say I shouldn't, so yeah, just let me know. I have a mini Deadpool 2 poster. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna stick it right behind me, right here. I'm gonna stick it, or maybe, nah, maybe I'll stick it right here, right there. Yeah, it looks good, right? Yeah, who knows? Or maybe I'll just take it to work. I don't know, but I love it. I love it, and this was one of my favorite scenes, so this makes me really happy. So I got this awesome pin from The Big Lebowski. This is so freaking cool. I love the pins that come in your loot crate because they're not just pins. They also come with something extra. You just have to go to the website. It's lootcrate.com/pins, and then they'll tell you what your pin unlocks. It's like a key to something awesome. So your loot crate just comes with an extra bonus, which is really cool. I also have an awesome vest, like I said in my Nick box video. And I put all the pins on that desk. I cannot talk today. I put all the pins on that vest, and it's kind of cool. And And so I have a vest full of pins, and I'm gonna pop this one right on there right next to all the other ones. It's gonna be in the family with all of its siblings. And then the final treat that comes with every crate you get is something to wear. And this is adorable. First of all, before I say anything, I am super excited about what this is, you guys, because I love tacos. I love tacos. We have a million taco festivals in Chicago, and I go to all of them. Oh my god. If I could do nothing all day and eat tacos for the rest of my life, I'd be content. I freaking love tacos. And oh my god, check this out. Isn't this the coolest thing you've ever seen? I am going to turn this into the cutest crop top ever. Oh my goodness. Something about me, I like to get my t-shirts and I like to turn them into crop tops. I love wearing crop tops. It's probably my favorite staple in my closet. I own pretty much nothing but crop tops and winter shirts for when it gets cold outside. But even sometimes when it's cold outside, I wear my winter crop tops. It's a mess, but I love them. So I like to turn my t-shirts into crop tops, and this one is going to be super cute. If you guys want to see a video on how I turn t-shirts into really cute wearable crop tops, let me know and I will post one. But I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. It's so great. And last thing to know about loot crates is that when you get them and you're finally empty, like this one, you can fold them outside in or inside out. And then you will get to see whatever cool thing is on the inside is actually supposed to be the outside. This one's very basic. This one's basically just an Archer loot crate. Some of them are cooler. The loot crate last month was a Thanos gauntlet, so you got to wear it as a gauntlet, which was really cool. Some of them have been even cooler than that. One of them was a maze. You have to just follow the maze. It's really cool. So I like to fold them inside and out, and like I've said before, I like to turn them into really cute shelves that I hang around my room to hold some of the stuff that comes in my Nick box and my loot crate, and I freaking love it. So these are some of my favorite boxes to get. I'm really glad if you made it all the way to the end of this video. I love you all. I will be back as soon as I get another one in, and I will be making another video, which will be super freaking exciting. So please be excited, because I'm excited. And yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.